Hey guys, good morning. And it is a good morning. I woke up. I had a late night last night. I had a couple of drinks. My face is swollen. This is like the next morning look, as you can see. I am doing my first wing review. It is the next morning. When I got home last night, I didn't feel like doing a video. I was out with my girl. We were chilling. We went to Brooklyn Bridge. Oh my gosh, they were so awesome there to us. There was a DJ there last night, and the owner, Louis, he said to me, you know what, because I told him about the wing crawl, the chicken wing crawl. And he's like, you know what, Cerise, I don't have them on the menu yet, but I will make them especially for you. And he's like, just come by Friday night, which was last night, come have a couple of drinks, 2 for 1 Cuba Libres. So that explains why my face is swollen. And he's like, and I'll make wings for you, just so you can try them and you can do the review. So I got home and I ate a little bit last night, and I had to stop myself because I was like, if I don't stop eating these right now, tomorrow I will not have any left to do the review, straight up. And I was like, oh my gosh, so now it's morning. And I was thinking about those wings ever since I woke up. Of course, this is a review, so I am going to eat and talk with food in my mouth. I apologize beforehand. But for those of you who don't know where Brooklyn Bridge is, it's located behind Texaco gas station in the plaza. These wings are big. And they're tasty. For those of you who like sauce, they have a really nice, tasty homemade barbecue sauce. Has a taste, like a hint of ginger. Not overpowering at all, but very unique. Now, the guy, the owner of Brooklyn Bridge, he's Haitian American. So I'm not sure if he's using like Haitian influence. I really don't know. Wow, very tasty. Very meaty, very meaty. I clean the bones. I have a technique of eating wings too. I'll show you in a second. This is really good. Comes right off the bones, the meat does. Very tasty. Homemade sauce. Very well cooked. Very nice and tender. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how to eat these ones. A lot of people go and then they try to break the bone open. I'm gonna show you how to eat it without having to even break the bone open. Excuse me, it's gonna be graphic. Here we go. Just like that. Clean. Now, you're left with this bone. And you do the same thing pretty much. Clean. These are very filling. They are finger licking good. I usually don't lick my fingers, but I didn't bring a napkin over, and I'm already on my mic, already mic'd up here. If you like barbecue sauce, if you like unique barbecue sauce, something that you haven't really tried before, a different type of a taste, then I think that you would really enjoy this. I can't eat any more French fries. Otherwise, I won't be able to eat this last wing right here. So here I go. When you eat wings, and you have a whole bunch of meat on one end and meat on the other end, you're not eating the wing right at all. You're wasting meat. So, wait, you see those bones? No meat on them. That's it for me. Brooklyn Bridge, thumbs up. You guys have a really good chicken wing. The sauce is very unique. It's tasty. The wings are filling. They're big. And not only that, the service last night was impeccable. So now I'm gonna go lay down. If you're watching this video and you are just thinking about coming to the Dominican Republic, then you are making a good choice. If you're already here and you're in Sosua, check out Brooklyn Bridge. They do have really good wings. Some people can make a claim that they have good wings, and Brooklyn Bridge can make that claim that their wing is a really good, tasty, delicious, meaty, and not only that, unique sauce taste. So look out for the next review. It is going to be, again, on chicken wings. And I am still going to be doing the chicken wing crawl. I mean, by the end of all this, I'll be doing the chicken wing fly. Bye, guys. Have a wonderful day. Thank you for joining me.
Oh, let the love shine. Oh, let the love shine.